time to show you another unboxing video. This is literally, again, just come a few minutes ago with the post, minutes after I got the torch it was for. So, it comes in a little cardboard box like this. The brand is LiitoKala, I don't know if that's how you say it. Intelligent battery charger. This was again recommended to me, one of the brands that was recommended to me on Candle Power forums, which is a really good forum if you're into finding out about batteries and battery testers. Or put a link to the person that's actually tested loads of different battery chargers to his website for him as a thank you for his very helpful information. So anyway, once you've opened it up, it comes in this, you know, the normal little bubble wrap you can just about pop with your fingers. All kids love to pop those. Right, so this is the main unit, what it looks like. It can hold 4 separate batteries, and you just simply, he says simply, you can push these. Let's have a look. Oh, I see. So, alright, so you can push those out. If the battery is longer than that, you would push that up and then shove the battery in there. You can see it's got a spring underneath there to hold them in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the area for the LED to light up and show you information on the batteries. You've got 2 buttons, mode and current. On the rear, on the underside, sorry, that's the exact model. LiitoKala Lii-500 smart charger. Compatible with all those different types of batteries. So rechargeable batteries, AA, AAA, all those other sizes. I've not used all these different sizes. I've never used a 26 650 battery, blah blah blah, but the ones I've bought it for is for 18 650 batteries. I showed these in the previous video, so I don't want to spend ages showing you again. Just to quickly show you, an 18 650 battery is like that. It's about double the size of an AA battery. Quality ones like this cost about £9 in English money each. Cheaper ones you can get for about £2, £2.50 on eBay. Do not buy cheap, shitty batteries. Not only are they risky, they're rubbish. They won't last as long. They won't provide as much power, and a lot of the ones available on eBay have got fake capacities on them. If anything above 3800 mAh is fake, so do not trust the cheap batteries. Spend a bit of money, get some quality ones. Anyway, so that's what I bought it for recharging these, so that I can tell what condition they're in when I put them in to be recharged, etc. This charger, off the top of my head, how much did I pay? Ooh, I think I paid less than £20. I'll tell you in the written information underneath this video. So always read the information people put underneath their YouTube videos. Okay, made in China. Quality control sticker. You got a little QR code on the side. I never use QR codes, but there is one there. I don't know what that would do. And then other stuff in the box. You've got a car charger. So quite why you'd want to be driving along charging your batteries, I don't know, but it could come in handy. And there's the other end. And there's the hole. So DC there, you'd plug that in there, 12 volt. You've also got a USB port there, but they haven't provided any USB cable, so I'll have to find out why that's provided. You also, because I'm in England and I wanted the English version, I've got an English 3-pin power plug. Be warned, there are people selling this exact same model of charger on Amazon without English plugs. Some of them have got European plugs, some of them don't even come with a plug. You can just buy the unit on its own, which is obviously makes it cheaper, but you know, they're assuming you've got the correct type of plug for it. I think it's better to buy one of these with the correct plug for whichever region you're in, and also make sure you might as well get a car charger. You never know, you might be going camping and need to charge them up as you move from one site to another. So again, not all of the packages on eBay and Amazon have the car chargers. So have a look, compare them. Don't rush. Make sure you get what you want. And you see, I prefer to get one that's been provided by the manufacturer or the seller, because they should provide you with the correct one. Okay, so unit, car charger, English 3-pin power plug. Okay, and quite a lot of cable there. And then instructions now. Let's cross our fingers. And see, please be in English, some of it. Sometimes you get stuff. Oh, I'm recording something. Got English somewhere, I hope. So at the moment, Chinese. Oh God. Chinese. Turn it over. Oh, thank God. Okay, and then you've got English on the other side. So I'm just going to quickly film this, not at reading speed. So pause it if you want to have a quick look at this information. Do not use other power adapter. Yeah, so as I say, I would never try and use a different plug from a different unit. Alright, features, this is what it can do. Tells you what the buttons do. Mode operation, like I said, there's mode and current. There's 2 buttons there. Okay, what else? You can also use this to test the batteries. You can do fast tests, as it says. Test the capacity of the battery, so you can see whether you've been ripped off or not. As I said, do not buy cheap batteries off eBay. A lot of I've been told do not buy a brand called Ultrafire. Apparently lots of them are crap. Unfortunately, years ago I bought, well, they do work, because they can't be total crap, but people that really know a lot about batteries will tell you don't buy a brand called Ultrafire. A lot of them are fake capacities on them. They obviously don't last as long or work as well as a lot of other batteries. So specifications, there's the display of what the LED screen should look like. So there you go. Where did I buy this from? I think I bought this on, I can't even remember. I'll tell you in the description underneath. I either bought this from eBay or Amazon. As I said, for under £20. I'll tell you the price and where I bought it from, to be specific. I won't film the full address of where I got it. Based on how long it was going to take, I'd say this has come from China, but it seems to have been, it seems to come through somebody that lives in Birmingham. So maybe it was shipped to somebody in Birmingham, then they've sent it on to me. Be careful, because a lot of people that sell on eBay claim to be in the UK, and then if you look right at the bottom of the eBay description, their business address is quite often in China. Because of course then you've got problems of sending stuff back if there's something wrong with it. So anyway, there you go. Hope that's been of use to you. Thank you for watching. I'll do another test in future once I've learnt to use it. I'll show you what it's like when it's actually in use, but this is just an unboxing video. Right. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.